Hello, everybody! Let's go on with learning. In actual Ruff development, many developers may wonder, when we are developing applications, how shall we integrate some internet services, such as speed recognition, data analysis, and similar services? In this part, I'll guide you to learn how to integrate internet services. Let's first recall what we learned in our last lesson. Since last lesson is very fundamental and basic, we mainly focused on the application structure of modern IoT, which can be divided into three roles: IoT Cloud, Display Operation Front-End, and Acquisition and Control Terminal. And I believe you guys must be quite familiar with their functions. With them, it is now easy to integrate internet services. We only need to insert the service link between the Display Operation Front-End and the IoT Cloud. Here, I'll show you two examples to demonstrate that. Here comes the first example. I'd like to analyze some data acquired at the Acquisition Control Terminal, a big data analysis, and get display of analysis result at the front end. To realize that, I need to put the service of data analysis onto a cloud host. And then this cloud host, through Service SDK, requests data from the IoT cloud, scrape data, and analyze data after scraping them. And finally, the result is displayed at the front end. The second example is to realize speed recognition, i.e., I use speech sounds to control the final device to perform some actions. To achieve that, we need such a service of online speech recognition. For example, we may record this audio at the front end, and then send this audio to a speech cloud service. After recognition, the cloud service feeds back the text to our front end, and then our front end conducts some conditional judgments to the text. After that, it sends a command, and this command is sent to the IoT cloud through the Service SDK. It then forwards it to the final terminal device. These procedures complete the function of speech recognition control. In actual development, debugging is unavoidable. A block diagram for debugging is also provided here. During debugging, we may put the backend of internet service and our display front end under the same part. It can be realized with a PC command line. And this whole part communicates with the IoT cloud through Service SDK. And the Acquisition Control Terminal may also be simulated with the command line tool. And it communicates with the IoT cloud through Device SDK. Alright, so that's all for this lesson. So please look forward to our upcoming classes on Ruff. Thank you very much. Ruff, make IoT easier.